Hello and welcome to the video help tutorial on sales and bills. So we're actually in the themed public room right now. Let's go back to our business and let's do business properly inside business. So once we get there, we need to go to the wow, there is a problem solving scenario that just came up. Well, let's solve this and then move on. Yep, I'm ready. I wonder what it's going to be today. Hmm. What do you do? Okay. Yes. Check her breathing and airway passage. Feel for a pulse. Someone who's calling for someone from 911. Yes. Yes! Terrific. Haha, that's great. So I gained 2 problem-solving points. Perfect. So back to the financial management component that we're going to be doing right now. So we go down to the bottom left-hand corner and we click on the dollar sign. That's the blue sort of button. And we have a number of financial management buttons here. We just saw part of the financial statement buttons that popped up. But we want to view right now the bills component. So that'll bring up all the current outstanding bills and also paid history bills that we've done. So we can see in the left-hand corner that it's done by bill number. There's an outstanding type, and all of these bills seem to be in collections. If you roll over the question mark at the top right-hand corner of the outstanding bill screen, you'll see that how the BYOB defines current outstanding, overdue, and collections. Collections, as you can see, the outstanding type on many of those ones on the screen are 13 plus business weeks over. So that's over 13 days in real life. Current is 1 to 2 days. So we've got to keep on, on paying our bills so that these things don't happen to our business. And as we can see at the top left-hand corner, our business is currently closed because of well, a number of reasons, but these outstanding bills. So as we can see at the bottom left-hand corner, it displays our bank account total, and we see also the outstanding bill amount. Now, if we had enough money in the bank to actually pay every single outstanding invoice and outstanding bill, we could click on the Pay All button. But currently we don't. So we can pay them individually until we get them down as possible. So by clicking on, well, first of all, before we pay that bill, if you want to view your bill types and the date that they were issued, you can click on the top column here, and that will create an ascending and descending sort of a coupling of like items or date issued, or if we scroll over to here, the outstanding amounts too. So we want to find out if we want to pay the most outstanding amounts, they're there. If we want to pay the least amount, they're there as well. So anyway, so let's complete a transaction here, and we've got a maintenance repairs bill for January 30th, 2008. So if we click that, we select that. You can also see underneath there's a current bill, which is done just recently in 2009. And if we click on Pay, that will load up a check. And we can actually process that check based on, hopefully we have that money in the bank. So here we have it. We have this check signed for repairs on the restrooms that we have in our business here. And you see the current date and how much it is. So if we want to click that, we can pay that bill, and it says a payment has been made. So that's been debited from our bank account, and it has it's gone actually the payment history. If you go to the bottom tab on the left-hand side here and click that, we can see that the bill in the payment history has been made. So if we can sort by ascending and descending, there's the bill we just made. Super duper. We can actually also export the payment history as well as all the outstanding bills by clicking on the export button in the top right hand corner of this this window. That will export all that data from your individual business profile out to a spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet. So if we go back to the outstanding, you can see that as well, and there's the export button as well. So pay one more just to see that in action again. Pay that. That'll load up that actual check for that actual invoice, and then we can pay it. Sign here, pay bill. There we have it. The payment's been made. So that's the mechanism for paying bills. Very realistic. You can also double check all those payments in your financial statements. If we go down to the financial management button again, $, the blue one, And if you you hover over anything in the interface, it actually will tell you, you know, what it is and what it's for. So let's go to our sales component. This will show us all the sales that have been made. So very similarly to the bill payment system, there is different columns and rows showing us all the transactions, every single transaction that's been made, you know, for this business. And we can also export all of that data as well. You can see that we can, you know, find out, you know, the best sales that we've made, you know, as well as the cost and the profit that we made from those sales. You know, et cetera, et cetera. So again, exporting that out, and that's that. We can also go into more detail in the invoices as well under the financial management, but that's another video tutorial. So super. Hope you enjoyed this brief introductory sort of session on sales and paying your bills. We can do a lot more, and there's a lot more videos for you to watch. So hope you enjoyed, and take care. Bye bye.